How to use color grading on ClipChamp. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can use color grading on ClipChamp. Well, let me guide you through quickly with this video. First things first, you want to open up ClipChamp and then you want to go ahead and open up the project. Now here I already have the project, so I'll just open it up. How you can color grade, right? In order to color grade here now, simply select the part, the video. You can select the whole video. And then here you'll find the adjust colors option, tap on it, and now from here you can go ahead and choose exposure, you can choose the contrast, you can choose the saturation as well, so here, and the temperature, and you'll find the transparency as well. You can use the blend mode here to darken multiple or such. Just set it to normal here. If you're using overlay you can use this, but this is how you can easily use color grade on ClipChamp. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.